The future of manufacturing is bigger, bolder, faster, fitter. It's technologies like digital twins, augmented reality, robotics and AI. Yes, the future of manufacturing is... Eric.
Hello.
And Mo, Anna, Sam and Ali. Because although the future might be shaped by technology, it's powered by people. By putting people, not technology, at the heart of digitalisation, we help manufacturers, change leaders, policymakers, and tech developers navigate digital transformation in a way that's sustainable, effective, and ethical, supporting business and the UK economy to become more competitive. Ask us. We're people too.